G'day guys, welcome to my channel. I am Pierre and this is Simple Homebrew. I'm here today just quickly tasting the Kilkenny style beer that I made, the Irish red cream ale that I made probably about 6 weeks ago now. It's been aging really well. At first it wasn't really great tasting and I've been tasting it as I go. And today I've tasted it and thought, oh, this is actually quite nice now. It's really mellowed out and aged a bit. It's been like 6 weeks, 5 to 6 weeks, so I'm about to taste it. So as you saw, I poured it, whoop, and spilt it. Doesn't matter. This is the beer here. Now, like you saw in the video, it is a little bit reddish, but it's very dark. So it's like a brown ale, more likely. The smell is beautiful. It's got a chocolatey smell. I thought it might have a coffee smell, but it doesn't have a coffee smell. It's really just chocolatey. Obviously beery. I can't smell any yeast or any sediment or anything left over, so it looks pretty good. The lacing's not bad. The foam's gone down pretty quick. Look, I filled it up 5 minutes ago and it's already settled. It's more like a stout rather than a normal beer, so it's going to have less carbonation in it. It's a bit more creamy. I probably should have put more carbonation in it, but I think it's pretty good as it is. As a flavour though, look, I can't smell the hops and I can't taste the hops in it, so, which is really unusual. Depending, I mean, the hops that I put in it is basic. It's a basic hop, which was East Kent Goldings mostly. So anyway, I'll taste it. Chocolatey tasting, well and truly chocolatey tasting. Now it tastes like some of the beers I've already tasted, which I did on my advent calendar, and it really lives up to that. I think if I leave it for another month, it'll mellow out a bit more and it will just clear up a bit and taste even better. The flavour I'm getting is a mild version of, wow, hang on. Yeah, I don't know if you guys know, I'm talking about little teddy bears. They're like chocolate flavoured teddy bear. I don't know, growing up we used to have lollies and we used to have like little jelly teddy bears, and they were chocolate flavour, strawberry, all kinds of flavours. But this has definitely got that flavour, that chocolate teddy bear flavour. Like I said, it's nothing like a Kilkenny, and I'm sorry, the recipe I presented to you in the first video definitely isn't what I have now in my hand. Sometimes we learn and we improve and get better. This was listed as a Kilkenny style beer on Grainfather, but it turns out it's definitely not a Kilkenny type beer. It's more like a stout. I would almost say, I don't know, Irish stout, definitely. Flavoursome, it's got hardly any bitterness. It's got a bit, not much, but a little bit. It's got a sweetness to it, just a mild sweetness to it. Probably could do with a little bit more. Chocolatey flavour, no East Kent Gold, no hops flavours or anything like that. Just a beautiful, refreshing taste. Like I said, if I leave it to age a bit more, it's going to come out better. So I'll pop it in and I'll probably even look at this in another 2 months' time and see what it tastes like then. So I'm leaving that in the fridge just so I can go. As you can see, it is quite hot here today. It's 30 odd degrees and it's very damp. It's very humid. So the water, the condensation is building up very quickly on this glass because it is a very cold beer. I'm getting a sharp taste too. Now, I have tasted this today before I come to you guys, and I've changed the tap just to make sure it wasn't the flavour from the tap that I was tasting from the kegerator tap. It's exactly what I thought it would be. A very tasty, not so stouty, maybe a brown ale rather than a stout, and it's really nice. So if you want to do this recipe, it's listed on my channel, on my Grainfather account. I'm going to change the name of it because it's definitely not a Kilkenny style. It's definitely not a red ale. It's more like a brown ale. So if you're interested, have a look at it. The recipe will be down below and I will share it with you. Thanks guys, thanks for watching. Thanks for checking this one out, and we'll see you when we do the next one. All right, see you guys. Have a good one.